Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get this look using the Peach Palette by I Heart Revolution. First, don't forget to prime your eyes. It's very important. If you don't have an eye primer, use a good concealer. I'm using Shape Tape by Tarte, and I'm just going to apply enough on there that it makes a nice solid base, and I'm going to bring it up to my eyebrows and then tap it out with my finger so there's no creases. Also, don't forget to bring it to your lower lash line as well because you're also going to be putting eyeshadow down there. First, we're going to start with this pink shade on a fluffy brush, and we're going to bring that into our crease and then start blending it up and out by doing these small circular motions and going back and forth along the edges with light pressure. That way it blends nice and evenly. Just keep doing that until it's not patchy anymore. And then we're also going to be bringing it into the inner corner and just go in little circular motions. Next, with the smaller brush, we're going to be taking this orange and light pink and kind of mixing them together to make more of a coral shade. And we're going to bring that right into our crease on top of that pink that we just applied. Just don't bring it up as high. That way you can still see the pink peeking through. Now we're going to take some concealer on a small rounded flat brush, and we're just going to apply that right to the middle of our eye where we left that empty space. And then you're going to want to create a curve right above your natural crease that creates like that halo look. And just focus on applying the concealer to the center part of your eyelid. Once that's applied, we're going to be taking this golden yellow shimmer color, and we're just going to pack that right on that space where we put the concealer. And just pack it on with your finger at first, and then we're going to be taking the flat brush to make it a little bit more precise around that top line that you created. Now taking that small fluffy brush again, we're going to be taking this orange shade and keeping this on the outer corner and the inner corner of our eye. And we're going to kind of create like a V shape. So bring it in a little bit more towards your lashes and then bring it out going up towards the top of that yellow shimmer. And then just slightly and really lightly go around the edge of that gold color to blend it in just a little bit. The V shape of this orange is really going to be creating that halo look. One more time, just take the flat brush with a little bit of that shimmer and redefine around that top edge of that gold. Now for the lower lash line, we're going to be taking a small fluffy brush and mixing that pink and orange together and just bring that to your whole lower lash line and really smoke it out. We're going to be using this brown eyeliner in our waterline. Take that small flat brush again with the shimmer on it, and we're just going to bring that to our inner corner using tapping motions, bringing it up a little bit and to our lower lash line to create a highlight. Now add falsies and mascara. This is the finished look. I hope you guys found it helpful. If you guys have any suggestions on some tutorials you would like to see or specific colors or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment, and I will see you guys next time.